Going to keep on scrolling down here. Now it looks like they're going to their second phase of their visualization. So let's see what else they have. Okay, so now we're starting to get to some of their graphs, talking about anxiety, personal finances. Obviously affects mental health, which is something that we're constantly concerned with. So they're showing some of their results from their survey. It looks like they're breaking down some of their age brackets and how that anxiety applies. They're talking about how often people think about their personal financial conditions, which obviously can be a precursor or some sort of a correlated indicator to to the stress or the anxiety you feel about it if you think about it constantly. And basically, you can sit here and you can go through some of their items that they have highlighted, right? So here it looks like they're doing a little bit of trend analysis also around the emergency or rainy day funds for 3 months. So it looks like some people were able to increase their rainy day funds while others did not. It just, it depends on the different breakdowns that are available, right? But again, we're just going through all of this. My intent is not to go through every statistic. My intent is to show you that, these are the things you have to go through and kind of process in your mind and apply your own thinking, your own judgment, and to some degree, your own bias to what you think about some of these items, right? So I would encourage you to keep on going through a study like this, and you can see some of the themes also. Because remember, we eventually have to settle on one of these themes that we want to study, right?